Hi, it's Liz and Leeann from the Old Lady Wives YouTube channel. We are camping at the Skyview Campground in Manning Park, and we're going to spend 4 nights winter camping for the first time. We're going to do a bunch of cooking, we're going to go snowshoeing, and we're going to check out spots for a hot tent stove winter camp, and we're bringing you along.
Well, let me tell you about my first night sleeping in the snow. Well, it was freaking cold, then it gets too hot in here, then shut it off, then it gets too cold.
If you know, you know.
Then it gets too hot. It's really hard to regulate the trailer. Now I'm going to get dressed, and it's hard because it's cold.
Good morning, we are drinking coffee.
Yay! Look, watch me drink coffee.
Watch me drink coffee. We are drinking coffee. That is a good cup of coffee. So, what do you think we're going to do today?
I think we should drive around Manning area and find some crown land and check it out.
But before we go looking for spots, we need to eat breakfast. Hi, Terry. Hi, I'm going to cook up some bacon, some eggs, and some bagels. Hi, Terry. I am making breakfast bagels. First bite. It's good. Really good. This explains why our fire was so smoky last night. Yeah, there's basically a lake in our fire pit. So we're going to try and fix that right now. We don't know if this will work. Leann is filling it full of snow and is going to shovel it all out, and hopefully the water comes out with it. We'll let you know if it works. It looks like Leann got all the water out, so we are about to start a fire. Guess what, Terry? We got the fire going. We are headed to go check out a couple spots that we potentially might camp in the next couple weeks. All right, I think we found a potential spot. We're going to go check it out. A little bit of a hike, couple hundred meters maybe.
Well, I guess we'll find out. Bit of steepness right here.
Yeah.
Can't wait to get Liz on film going down that.
Not too bad.
No, it's pretty easy. Moose! Look how big it is. There's my hand.
So pretty. There's a trail up there. Well, this potentially could be a spot.
I think it's a great spot.
Yeah.
Flat. Lots of wood around.
Yeah, it's pretty
There's
nice.
some snow.
Oh yeah. Hi, Terry. All right, we're gonna go check out one other spot. Well, we think the first spot is much better because it's way more private.
This would be a good spot for a trailer for free.
Yeah,
camping.
we're definitely going to free camp here later on in the year. We're cooking up some campfire nachos for dinner tonight.
Kenny loves our campfire nachos.
We have, going into the campfire nachos, we got some shredded chicken, black beans, green onions, cilantro, jalapenos, salsa, nachos, and 2 different cheeses. Now we let it sit and cook. Look at this. Oh my goodness. So I think this might potentially could be the best one we ever have done.
Yeah, it looks like looking like lasagna. That's what I want.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be fantastic. Putting the olive oil on the bottom on the parchment paper, I think worked.
Not in the salsa.
Yeah. It's good. It's hot. Really good though. All right, we are going to head in and relax, watch some movies, and we will see you in the morning. Good night.
Good night.
Good morning.
Morning.
We are headed out for a hike. We are gonna hike along the West Similkameen Trail to the Windy Joe Trail.
Which we tried to do last year.
Basically 1 year ago, we
In a
tried to
couple
do this
days.
trail. Yeah.
So check out our video from last year.
Yeah, and hopefully we'll make it to the top, to the fire lookout tower.
Yeah, we will.
And it's a beautiful day out here.
And it might snow, which would make it even more beautiful.
Someone made a snowman.
Somebody built a snowman. Look at those funky glasses. This is right out of the 80s, man.
Well, it's a lot different than last year. We had to wear snowshoes. This year, I just have to wear my grippies, which makes the traveling a lot quicker and a lot lighter. Last year, we were breaking trail. Yeah, that's the term I'm looking for. And it was a lot of work, and we ran out of time because, I don't know, we maybe get 12 hours daylight? Not sure. We didn't get that much. All right, I'm gonna continue on going down this trail.
Usually at this time of the year, this should be all frozen over, but it's been a really warm winter so far. There's some more of that green tinsel that I love.
Downhill. Did not expect that. Didn't expect it at all. I am now going to attempt to cross a log covered in snow. Wish me luck.
Here I go.
Well, time to check out the map. Windy Joe, here they are. There's the Pacific Crest Trail.
One day we will do the Pacific Crest Trail. But I know Liz wants to conquer the Arizona Trail first. But right now I'm just trying to conquer this Windy Joe Trail, which is only, I think, 8 kilometers round trip. Where the Arizona Trail, I think, is 800 miles. I don't know if I really want to conquer that, but I can do support.
Well, it's going to be a long 6 kilometers up. It's going to be fun.
Here we go. And I'm going to suffer, but I'm getting to the top. That's it. I'm retired now. I have no excuse. I'll be glad when the lactic acid burns off. The first bit of the climbing just really sucks.
Bit of a break here. We got a little bit of flat. This is a very steep up. I can see why we didn't make it last year. I mean, the snow was basically almost up to my knees and we were breaking trail. And it's hard when you don't have to break trail.
I don't know if you can see all that downfall. Look at it all. Pine beetles. It's endless. Endless.
Well, it's been about a 20% grade hiking up here.
How are you doing?
Whew. Hard.
1 kilometer to go. Stretching my calf. It is tight. All right, here we go.
We have a kilometer to go, and I believe last year this is where I turned around.
I am suffering. I'm so suffering. According to that lady, we're almost there, but she's coming downhill, and it's a lot quicker when you're coming downhill. That's all I got.
Okay, we have about 500 meters to the top. How you doing?
I'm suffering.
All right, see you at the top.
Well, looks like we might be at the top.
Well, we're coming up to the summit. I am so excited.
I needed to do this. It's been a while since I did anything grueling, and I wasn't sure I could do it anymore. I'm so glad we did it.
Wow. There's the lookout tower.
There's the shack.
Views are stunning. Leanne's heading into the outhouse.
Have a good time.
Well, I am so happy we made it up here.
Oh, we needed to do this really badly.
This feels like full circle to me.
Yeah.
A new beginning.
Here we go.
Yeah, retirement.
Yep.
Here we come.
And this
Watch
is what
out.
it's gonna look like. Woo!
Yeah. All right, we're on our way down, and
See you at the bottom.
we'll see you back at the car.
Bye.
Bye.
We made it back to that sign we started at 3 hours ago.
Now we're on the West Similkameen Trail.
Yeah, we're like got 2 kilometers to our car. All right, exhausted.
Bye. We made it back.
To the car.
Yay. I am going to go and relax, and Leanne is going to go take a shower because she smells like an onion.
Thank you. This is an idiot. Okay.
I am. We'll see you back at the car. I mean, at the camp, at our campsite.
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
So yesterday we got back to camp from our amazing hike, and we went for something to eat, and we were so tired that we just went inside the trailer and hung out there for the rest of the night. And now we are here the next day drinking coffee.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Well, it finally decided to snow today. And we've also decided that we're heading back. We're going to spend New Year's Eve at our house. We enjoyed winter camping, but 3 nights is enough.
Yeah, I have found that 3 nights was enough camping.
And I found it.
And I have a speech impediment. I really do.
I found.
I've always had one. I have a really high IQ.
Yeah, oh yeah, she's brilliant. Don't get me wrong.
I just can't speak.
She can't just speak. She can't speak her IQ. Found it a lot of work.
It was a lot of work. I would say
It's a lot of work trying to keep warm.
Yeah, it's a lot of work trying to keep warm. Just getting dressed is a lot of work.
Yeah, the layers.
And getting undressed is a lot of work. But we've had a really good time.
Oh, it's been a blast.
Yeah.
I love building fires in the snow.
Yeah, and so yesterday, once we got back from our hike, I came back, changed my clothes, and I chopped a bag of wood. And I thought to myself, wow, this is exactly how I want to be living my life.
Yeah, yesterday I really felt like retirement is living our dream.
Yeah.
So far I feel like we're living it, you know, when people always are at work and they're going, yep, living my dream. Well, we finally are.
Yeah, I thought this is my dream.
Yeah.
Hiking and chopping wood. So we have some food cooking on the fire right now, some breakfast.
And then we'll be packing up.
And then we're going to pack everything up.
And we'll head back down to the rainy Lower Mainland.
Thanks for watching.
We love you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
And
Keep on
adventuring.
adventuring.
Adventuring.